Hi there, I'm Jules from thesstonesoup.com and today I've got another healthy 5-ingredient recipe for you. I've got my oven heating up to 250C, which is 480F, and I've just popped my broccolini, 2 bunches. I've trimmed the bottoms, just the woody yucky bits off the ends, and just put them in a baking tray, lined it with paper just to make it easier to clean up. I'm just going to give it a good drizzle of oil, and we'll give it a bit of salt, and then I'll pop it in the oven for 5 minutes and then we'll get the fish on. So while the broccolini is cooking, I'm making my miso mayo. So I've got 6 tablespoons of mayonnaise. I'm using homemade, but whatever. Kewpie mayonnaise would be great if you want to use a commercial one. And then 2 tablespoons of white miso, or it's also known as shiro miso. If you can't find white miso, yeah, darker misos will be fine. Just use less. So probably start with a tablespoon and see how you go. Just going to stir that in. I need some rice vinegar, so just a tablespoon. Just give it some freshness. Come on. So we'll just give it a stir, and when it's as smooth as you can be bothered getting it, just have a taste. Yum, I love that, it's so good. You can always add more miso if it's not salty enough, or add more rice vinegar if you need it to be a bit sharper. And then we'll just get the fish in. So our broccolini's had 5 minutes in the oven. I'm just going to give it a bit of a toss. It's starting to look beautifully bright green and cooked, but we'll just toss it so the bits that are starting to crisp up don't overcook. And then I'm going to get my fish on. These are very small ocean trout fillets, but any fish fillets will be fine. And if you're hungry, you probably want bigger ones than this. And then back in the oven, I'll put a bit of salt on the fish. And then back in the oven for another, these are quite small, so they'll probably take about 8 minutes, but if your fish is bigger, it'll take somewhere between 10 to 15. So you can see the ocean trout's lovely and blistered and looks lovely and cooked through, and the broccolini's charred a little bit and tender. So I'm just going to serve this now. Put put some miso mayo on plates, top it with some of the broccolini and salmon, and then sprinkle with some sesame seeds. So if you enjoyed this recipe, really encourage you to come on over and visit my blog. It's thesstonesoup.com, and if you sign up for email updates, you get a free ebook filled with video recipes just like this one. Hope to see you soon.